Loss, loss, again loss. Why I can't adjust myself with this business? This business is not for me. Better I sell all of my stock and go away. Hey, what my friend? Same things happened with me. Today I am going to share with you all of my experience that how you could save your profit or capital. Welcome to another very important video of Black Box Trading channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more important videos. Today I will discuss with you why and where you usually do loss and how you can stop it. In the same time, doing opposite things, how you gain your profit. Here are the points. Number 1. Greed. Remember, very first and very important thing, making money is not a magic. Nobody can double his capital overnight. Thinking like this is a bad of roses. It is greed, which may destroy your capital. There is no magic rule or holy grail in stock market for making only profit. But with patterns, intelligence and knowledge, you may go ahead. Think your capital like a little plant. Give it time, and after time being, you will have a good capital. Even you may become a billionaire also. Number 2. Excess sell buy. Excess of anything is very bad. We are human and to err is human. When you do excess buy sell, that means you want to take all gap money from market. But believe me, I have seen many expert traders in my life. Still they are like before. No handsome profit in their portfolio. It is very difficult to make every trade perfect. Believe me. So stay away from excess buy sell. Keep buying in perfect place and take profit or stop loss in perfect place also. That is how you may keep discipline in your trading life. Number 3. Many stocks in your portfolio. Your portfolio like a garden. For too many stocks, always you have to alert about their news, price, fundamentals information, etc., which makes your trading life very complex. Even your real life become imbalanced. It's occur when you don't have proper knowledge about stock market. You are depend on others traders, brokers, news, rumor, etc. So be self-dependent, confident and make your own setup. Hold few prospective stocks with patterns and stay with them till their trend is up. Number 4. Following Mother Index. Always keep eye on Mother Index because it shows the market strength. Maximum stocks follow the direction of Mother Index. Stay with Mother Index following stocks, that is how you can make profit. Don't hold bottom stocks only because they are bottom level price. Believe me, these type of stocks remain like this. Moreover, when index in correction, they will make new low and go down and down. Very important thing. When Mother Index in correction from its resistance level, better stay aside from the market. Wait with good quantity cash, observe the correction level of uptrend stocks. When you get those type of stocks in your setup, start buying slowly. Number 5. Money management. Never buy a single stock with all your money at a time. Always keep cash in your portfolio. Nobody can assure you that a stock go high and high just after buying it. Slowly you increase your position on that stock. When it starts uptrend move, then you may double your position. But in the early stage, no after second move. Never hesitate to take stop loss. Number 6. Resistance level. Never buy stocks near resistance level. Price may break the resistance level, but who knows? If price fails to break the resistance level, then it comes to previous support level and you are stuck with this script. So wait till it breaks the resistance. Perhaps your profit margin not big, but your risk level also remain very little. Number 7. Support level. Don't sell stocks at support level because it is the place where smart money keep buying. Doing sell buy with a little portion, you may reduce your buying cost. Number 8. Downtrend. In which market you trade, if there is no short option, then do not stay with downtrend stocks. Never average when price in downtrend. If you are a swing trader, then you may open a trade. But it is very important to know that your setup really works. Are you sure that the stock price will sustain at the mature day? It is very risky. Number 9. Never run behind the price. Control yourself. When stock price goes far from moving average line or outside of Bollinger Band, then wait to buy. Let price comes to you. Better you sell some if you have that stock. Never hurry up to buy a stock. Remain assured that 99% of time stock price comes to your desired level. Number 10. News. Do not buy and never buy a stock after the news published. If the price of the stock already increased, because news always comes after the stock price increased. Only buy if the stock price at the bottom level. Smart money and institutional traders offload their holdings when news published. You have to know that as a retail trader, your position at the bottom level of the market. Never believe that news comes to you first. So wait and let the news settle with price. As I see in my whole trading life, that news always comes when the price reaches a top level. So be careful. Buy with rumor at support level and sell with news at resistance level. Number 11. Fundamental declaration or EPS declaration. Always stay aside from the market or do not open a trade during fundamental declaration period because you do not know the upcoming declaration. And very important observation is mine that with good EPS, smart money offload their holdings, and with bad EPS, smart money collect shares from bottom level. It is now open secret. So be careful. So my friends, these are some of my tips for you. And I assure you that these tips are 99% effective. Thanks for watching this video, and if you think this video helpful for you, then share it with your friends. Bye.